Hello and welcome to the TugaHandyman. Today I'm going to show you how to make this wall hanger. I'm going to use wood from an old bed. I think it's beech wood. The two boards measure 60 by 12.5 centimeters. It is not necessary to insist much on sanding, as the wood will be painted. I used the router to smooth two areas of the hanger, the face of the shelf and the bottom of the hanger. At first, I thought that only the glue would have enough strength, but I ended up putting in dowels and ensuring the integrity of the hanger even with high weights on the shelf. Clamp it and let it dry for at least 24 hours. Perfectly square. I used 6mm dowels. I just drilled, applied glue and hammered them. The best tool for cutting excess dowel is a Japanese saw. It hardly needs sanding. I will use hangers to hang a hanger. These hangers are excellent and support a lot of weight. They can be simply screwed, but using the router to lower it, the hanger will stay perfectly against the wall. I advise for these situations to use self-centering drills. You will never miss a hole again. It's perfect. This hanger will have 6 hooks 10 centimeters apart. To minimize the chance of damage the paint, I decided to drill holes for the screws in advance. I used water-based matte white paint. I didn't apply primer because it was a wood that had already been varnished. These hooks are from IKEA, super cheap and only needs one screw. The hanger is complete. It is a very simple and quick construction, very functional and with a modern design that matches any type of decoration. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you are not a channel subscriber, I invite you to do so. See you in the next video.